Okay, so here we are inside the data center. As you can see, we have all the equipment behind me. Now, when you're building a data center for mining digital assets, it's not just a case of putting the hardware inside a warehouse. It has to be configured in such a way to maximize the airflow between the equipment so as to keep the equipment cool. But you also have to optimize the software, optimize the hardware so as to get the most profitability from the machinery with the power consumption that you're using. And this has been done by the Solidus Technologies team that's been put together due to their expertise in that area. Hi Christy, pleasure to see you again.
Hi Douglas, nice to meet you again.
Great to be here. I thought it'd be beneficial for our clients if I asked you a few questions regarding the operation here. I think your insight would be valuable for them. Firstly, can I ask, what makes our mining farm different from others?
There's many reasons. One of the main reasons would be the internet speed. Romania is the second place in the world in terms of internet speed. Also, electricity cost in Romania is cheaper than most European countries, bringing down operational costs, which will increase the profitability even in harsher market conditions. Also, Romania is a hub for technical experts because of their access to high-quality education aimed towards the IT industry.
And why is it more profitable?
Besides the cheaper electricity already mentioned, the hardware has been optimized and tuned to reach its maximum profitability per power consumption. And we use an algorithm which enables us to switch the coins we mine based on the market conditions and advanced statistics.
Can you explain the customized dashboard that you've created to monitor the performance of the hardware and to give transparency to clients?
So the most important thing for us is to be transparent with our clients. So we have a custom-built dashboard which enables clients to log in and monitor their mining equipment performance. Also, we plan to have this available for viewing via an app in the future.
What makes our mining farm so efficient as in the terms of any failure identification and resolving any issues quickly?
So our monitoring software handles most failures automatically, and every incident is reported to our engineers, so in case of a need of manual intervention, everything will be resolved as quickly as possible.
Could you talk about blockchain technology and Ethereum and explain why some of the biggest organizations in the world are adopting blockchain, specifically Ethereum?
So the best way to describe blockchain and its capabilities is to compare it with the internet revolution in the 90s, which was a real game changer. It changed every aspect of our lives. Blockchain will do the same. It's like an internet 2.0. Huge organizations are adopting it because it's an improvement that will be ubiquitous in the future.
Today we visited one of the facilities where we now have our equipment, have our hardware up and running and generating an income. And I'm sure it must be very comforting for existing clients and perhaps clients that are considering coming on board to the Solidus opportunity to actually see these pieces of equipment up and running. Now, the large data center, the main data center that we're building, that's going to have the capacity for something like 12,000 GPUs, which will give us a total hash power of something in the region of 360 gigahashes. But the big picture, the main goal is to actually have double that amount. So you're looking at 24,000 GPUs with a gigahash rate of somewhere between 720 and 760. Now this will make us one of the major validators of the Ethereum network, and it will truly make us one of the largest operations globally. So I'm sure you'll agree the future is looking very promising, very bright at Solidus Technologies. And I hope you found this video of interest, and we will be having more videos in the future to keep you updated with the progress of Solidus. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this today.